Hey, good morning, Year 9. I'm going to talk you through the booklet that you're going to be using for the physics section of your closure work. This is the physics section. Make sure that you go to this website, www.whascience.com. It's my website, so whatever you need I can add on to it, so don't get confused by anything. Stay in touch by email and make sure you visit your teams to see if there's any work to do. The first couple of pages is quite simple. You've got recall questions. The recall questions, you can find all the answers to those on WHA Science if you find the revision guide section. Now don't download it, it's just up there for reference. If you find a page that looks a little bit like that, it will give you all of the answers that you need for these questions here. I'm sorry, my camera is being strange. Okay, getting to grips with all this technology stuff. All the answers here you can find in the revision guide. They're simple 1 or 2 sentence answers, so don't get put off by them, don't be confused. You've also got here a revision mat. Everybody should have done the CP1 topics topic. If you haven't done it fully, or if you've forgotten some of it, I'm going to be going through each section. I'm going to be explaining everything to you, and you'll be able to fill it in so that you can go and learn it later on. Section after that is some practice questions, some calculation practice questions. I'll go through some of these to show you the format. These are all very simple. It's about practicing rearranging equations. Every single time you do it, don't forget to use the method that I'm going to show you, because it gives you the best practice for your GCSEs. And if you start learning it now, then you'll be thankful for it when you're doing your actual exams. These are some more difficult worked examples that I'm going to give you some help with. I'll do them all as worked examples. The best thing to do though is not to cheat, to try and do them yourself and then work along with me as opposed to just copying down. You've got another revision mat here for CP3, which is all to do with energies, and I'll be taking you through, like I said, each section, and some more practice questions for CP3 after that. Some of you might not have got onto waves yet, but that's okay because you can learn about it yourself. All of these I'll go through section by section. I'll explain all the things you need to know. And guess what's coming next? Yes, you're right, we're going to do some calculations practice. Again, some slightly more difficult things up here, easy rearranging substitution ones here, and some word questions there. At the very end then is something that everyone in Year 9 should be familiar with, kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy as questions, and also a second one in the back that's a little bit more difficult. So, best of luck, stay in touch, don't forget to go to this website for all your physics resources, and if you have any questions, just email.